Worm tea. This is it's a liquid fertilizer that when your plants do get up a lot higher, or even the grass in the yard, you can take this worm tea and spray it just like you would people do with chemicals or whatever, but they're using worm tea instead, okay? And then what this is, we have it in a 32-ounce bottle. It's a concentrate. And in this concentrate, it averages about, you can put 3 ounces to a gallon of water. Now this whole bottle, you probably get about 10 ounces, about 10 gallons mixture for all of it. You can just take it and spray it on your grass or anything that's green that's going to help make it grow. Same thing, you get your microbes and you get your nutrients and you get all the minerals and all that stuff that you need, you know, that the grasses need that they can't get. But this here will give it to them. And you don't have to worry about it burning the grass or whatever like that, even a hot part of the day. But it's better to do it in the afternoons, you know, when it don't evaporate or whatever, but that's the best way to go. Yes, sir. And usually when we make it, we make 32 gallons at a time, and that way we let it aerate for 24 to 48 hours. It was a big aerator on the inside. That way, the longer you let it churn and bubble up, the more microbes, and it comes alive, in other words, what it does. And it's just really fantastic stuff.